Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to schedule shifts in Excel. First, open a new workbook and set up your basic sheet. You'll want to list all your employees and their working availability. Then, clearly define the specific shift times and their durations for your operational needs. This initial setup is crucial for building an effective and organized schedule. Next, let's build the actual schedule grid. Format your columns for specific dates and your rows for each employee's name. Utilize data validation to ensure consistent and accurate shift entries, preventing errors. Conditional formatting is a powerful tool here. Use it to visually highlight any overlapping shifts or scheduling conflicts, making them easy to spot and correct. Now, let's explore some advanced features. You can implement formulas to automatically track the total hours each employee is scheduled to work, ensuring compliance. Use the COUNTIF function to monitor the distribution of different shift types, promoting fairness. Creating drop-down menus for shift assignments can significantly speed up the scheduling process and reduce manual input errors. Finally, it's essential to review and optimize your schedule. Regularly check the completed schedule for overall efficiency and make adjustments as needed. Always gather feedback from your employees. Their input is invaluable for continuous improvement. Remember to save and back up your Excel schedule frequently to prevent any loss of your hard work.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.